Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. The material we need is a sheet of paper. For optional is a pen or ruler. We can also use recycled paper such as all a segment for this crafting project. First, to begin, fold the paper half length twice and press the crease firmly. Second, open the paper and fold the right and left corner to the center line to make a triangle like this. Third, mark a point about 40 centimeters from the bottom. And fold the paper so the top triangle meets the mark. Fourth, fold the right and left side to make the wings with a diagonal. Next, open the wings slightly and fold them in a wall carefully so both sides are even. Then fold the small triangle in the middle up to look the wings. After that, fold the paper in half again and shape the wings so they are parallel to body. Finally, fold the small part of the end of each wing. And bend the tail slightly. And the end of the paper pen is ready for use. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.